Hello, welcome back to Initial Speed. Today, we're at Euro Klassik, a Euro show. Let's go see what these guys have cooked up, different from last year. I'm already seeing some stuff I like. There's a blue B5. Ooh, and the car's outside. They be looking nice. Anyhow, let's get inside, see what's up. Here we go. Ooh, there's the B5 I was talking about. I'm sure at some point I'll go over to it, but let's run around and see what we can see. Ooh, Mark IV Golf with a Jetta front end. B6, A4, S4, sorry. Dropped R. Okay.
We'll spin off the line.
034.
Like for me,
So I have a lot of parts from 034. Oh, Eurosport. These are my boys. So this Porsche GT2. That's my boy over there. Oh yeah, this is a drift car. Ooh, Audi Sport. Ah.
it's okay. What? See?
Love it. On the white 52s, 1552 wheels. Oh man. First gen TT, Porsche calipers, Porsche wheels. Old school Beetle. Digging it. What do you think of this drift? Was it Macan? Nope.
So it comes up. It's actually got more space in it than it did for the R32.
Yep, B5 love. Oh, love those wheels. And then our friend again.
All right, you going going.
He's the owner of Bill Outback's birthday, so please help us in wishing Martin Garris a very happy birthday to Big up Martin, happy birthday, brother. Alright, so we got some nice prizes as well.
So good. Ooh, little Maserati action. Top is being opened. Ooh, I can smell the richness in this car, man. The leather, the Alcantara. Woo! So good. Forged carbon. MC20, baby. So good. And then I have a little surprise for you. Boxster with a 911 front end. Looks like the Porsche GT rear end. Very nice. Very nice. Oh man. This is crazy. Love it. Another 911. Another 911.
and duty
All with the
costs
same
are
calipers I have on.
outside of Canada.
Make some of our Japanese fans happy, or Japanese car fans, sorry. Oh my goodness. No Dorito.
Number 2, ultimate defense. Shield your car from scratches, stone chips, road bugs, splatter, and harsh weather conditions. Number 3, long-lasting protection.
Still loving this one after all this time.
Looking for the best price, largest selection, and huge inventory of performance parts and accessories for your European car? Then check out Eurosport Tuning. Here's your chance to win a $200 gift card from Eurosport Tuning. Simply follow them on.
Be right back, sorry.
Euro Klassik. Need some inspiration first? You have so many examples on the Instagram page of Play Guys and the website playguys.ca. That's Pro-Guard protection films are proud to announce
Lamborghini Diablo.
shield your car from
Is it
scratch.
an SV? Super Veloce?
Bug splatter and harsh weather
Nope.
conditions. Number 3, long-lasting protection. Engineered with advanced materials, our film provides durable protection that lasts for years, keeping your car looking newer for longer. Number 4, easy maintenance. Effortlessly maintain your professional installation. Our team of expert technicians ensure a flawless installation tailored to fit.
Galliardo. And I know it's pronounced that way because when we were in Italy, I asked at the Lamborghini factory. Galliardo. It's funny. It's an Italian company owned by Germans, Audi, with a Spanish name because of the bull heritage that Lamborghini has. It's a world car. Day, every day, baby. RS3, Supra, and Charger. I think the Supra's got it. The Charger's got more displacement, but Supra's newer, and the BMW Shift transmission. Oh! Supra has them just by a little, and it goes to the Supra.
shy of simple cleaning routine. Thanks to the engineering work. Our team of expert technicians ensure flawless installation tailored to fit your car perfectly. Experience peace of mind for 13 years straight.
Look at those turbos just peeking through that, eh?
Just.
You got a fitment issue.
The recommended fluids for your vehicle. This weekend, only at Euro Klassik. Back again. Stickers is proud to be an official sponsor of Euro Klassik again this year, bringing you the best quality stickers, clothing, custom. Ferrari, Lamborghini, and feel the power of these supercars speaking. It's only found on this exclusive opportunity.
That's all right. Everything's quiet this year. I mean, not as many cars on the track because it's almost the end of the day. But, you know, some people are hustling, having some fun. Free track to themselves, so to speak. That was pretty flat. Oh, he's coming in. Oh, so sexy.
That BMW's been catching up.
Yeah, because the BMW was pushing in this.
Look. Yeah, man, you can get him.
I don't think the Porsche's pushing.
He's not, but
Oh,
still.
there you go. Oh, wow. He is moving. I like his line. His line is good. Wheels, the nicest paint, the nicest overall car, like, you know?
Infinity headlights.
I would rock one.
He was making little shots, but I wasn't sure at first. Now he's actually come clear.
Well, you gotta respect he didn't hide it and he didn't run.
I was trying to be gentle before, but
Now that's little Fiat and its little friends, the Minis. But this is hilarious. Cars have come a long way in size and in tech. Bare minimum. But I like it.
It's
Off the top of
red.
my head.
I like the rubber on the... Hey, those are super wheels on your car. No, this guy put super wheels on his BMW.
that's kind of fun.
It's almost like to spite you, specifically.
It's actually kind of nice.
What's that? So 5th gen Supra wheels on a GTI, Mark 7 GTI, 8, sorry. So that is 2024 Berlin Classic, or Euro Classic now as it's called. in the books. It was fun, saw some burnouts, some crazy cars as usual. Damn, some crazy cars. But I think I've had enough for the day. I've inhaled enough tire smoke from the burnout competition. As the other guys were saying, probably shaved off about 2-3 years of my life. Anyhow, thanks for watching Initial Speed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget, it costs you nothing and it helps small channels like us do better with the YouTube's algorithm. So, if I see anything else, you guys will see it as well. But until the next time, Initial Speed, out. Taking the camber out of the wheels to drive home.
I like the family on the front.
I think the ones that I have are perfect.
Oh, there we go. Are you talking trash over there? Huh? I hope that's just...
Everyone has the same idea as us.